Hello, here we are with an unboxing of the HTC One Max. It's the third in a lineup of the HTC One series, really. We've had the original HTC One, we've had the HTC One Mini, and now we have the HTC One Max. And as the name sort of implies, the Max is the largest of the three devices, with the Mini sitting at the bottom and the original One in the middle. You can see from the images, and if you've looked at the one before, how there's a lot of similarity between the devices in terms of the design ethos. Of course, there's a little bit of difference on this one because of the fingerprint sensor on the back here, but you've still got HTC Blink feed, you've got Boom Sound, Zoe, you've got the fingerprint scanner, you've got 4G LTE, and you've got HTC Scribble on this because it's the bigger device. So it's a fairly standard box content for HTC and packaging here. So if we have a look, we've got the 16 gig memory variant here. We've got Android, got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 processor at 1.7 gigahertz. It's quad core. We've got a micro SIM card slot. We've got 2 gig of RAM, we've got a micro SD memory card slot up to 64 gig, got a 5.9 inch 1080p Full HD display, we've got the Boom Sound, we've got the ultra pixel camera BSI sensor, f2.0 lens with the image chip, HDR video, continuous shooting, etc., and full 1080p of course, 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 4, Wi-Fi, DLNA, GPS, 4G, it's all in here. So without further ado, let's unpack this device and give you a quick look at it. So here is the device itself, which we'll actually come back to in just a few moments, but we'll just tease you with it there. So then included in the pack here, well, this is quite a nice addition. We've got a clear HTC case with cutouts for the camera and the controls on the side. That's a nice added value item to have in the box. We then just got some documentation including seals, warranty information, and sort of quick getting started guide for you there. We've then got in here, we're not going to open it up, it's just a 3-pin UK mains power adapter with USB port on the end, into which you connect the provided USB to micro USB cable for charging. Of course, you can connect this to a computer as well. And then we've got a set of standard sort of in-ear headphones, a little bit better quality ones in here with the sort of Boom Sound sort of red, strong branding there, sort of stand out for when they're in your ears. Okay, so let's take a look at the device. So here we have it. Here's the whopping 5.9 inch display that we have on the front. Got a front facing camera, we've got the dual stereo Boom Sound speakers at the top and the bottom. We've got a light and proximity sensor. If we take a look on the side of the device, we've got a white finish to the edge here, and we've got the power button and the volume up and down keys. If we come to the bottom of the device, we've got a micro USB port and the microphone just there. Then we come round to the other side of the device, it's white, and then we've got a little bit here that is used for removing the actual back cover, which we'll come on to in just a second. And then on the top, we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then we've got the infrared port there for using this as a remote control with your audio visual equipment. We come around to the back, I've loosened the back cover, but we've got the rear facing camera. So this is for recording all your stills and your video, and that's the ultra pixel camera with LED flash. Then we've got the fingerprint sensor just here. We've got the HTC logo sort of embossed into the back cover, so that's sort of sunken in there. And we've got 3 pins for a charging dock just here, as you'll see coming through. And then we've got this white sort of banding here, which is a design that we've seen across the HTC One series. So if we remove the metal back cover, we've got the SIM card slot in here, and then we've got the micro SD memory card slot just here. Just having to cover up the IMEI for security reasons. And then if we come back round and we get this switched on for you to actually have a look at. So we're just going to run through the boot up sequence and we'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're all booted up. Now we're not going to take an extensive look at the software here because a lot of this is very similar to the HTC One series. and you've probably seen it all before, but you've got your application key here where you can go in and get to all your different pre-installed content. So a lot of this has been pre-installed by HTC for you, including all the normal Google services. Got a car mode, you've got your TV remote control, which uses that infrared port on the top there, where you can set it up with your audio visual equipment. You've got the Scribble app, which is kind of like a notes app, so that you can actually take notes really, and make full use of the massive on-screen real estate that you kind of have. So we can actually write on screen here if we like, in a pen, I believe. So, or you can use the keyboard. There we go. This is the first time I've used it, but it actually tries to transcribe onto the lines for you. You get the idea of what that actually does. So going back into the app tray, you can see all the sort of things that we've got pre-installed on here. We can go into the settings, and then we can show you the storage. So 16 gig of internal storage on the device. So 5.48 gig is actually taken up already. So you've got 10.52 gig available out of the box. So if we then take a look at the fingerprint scan, so you can see we've got a little demo coming up on screen. The fingerprint scanner located on the back of the phone can be used to unlock the phone or start snap. You can record up to 3 different fingerprints to perform different functions. So click continue to start, and then what you want to do is you select the finger that you wish to use, and then you sort of record it by scanning across the fingerprint sensor. So it says to swipe your finger on the scanner 3 more times. So I'm doing that out of shot here, so I'm just scrolling across the scanner, and then it's recording it there. I don't need to show you that in all detail, but you get the idea of what you can do, and then you can configure it to the apps that you want to launch and unlocking the actual screen. So you've got a quick shortcut here from scrolling across where you can search for content. You can go into your gallery and TV. Of course, you can customize your home screens. You've got the blink feed here, which links up to your social networks and everything. You can add shortcuts and widgets to your home screen. You can choose which home screen is set as your home screen, and then you can pinch over and get back into the same place. Drop down from the menu here, and you've got quick access to any notifications and into your settings, so you can control the brightness, airplane mode, whether the screen rotates or not. You've got the ultra pixel camera, so we've seen this on HTC One series devices of past. Basically the same, where you can control all the settings, whether it's HDR, sweep panorama. You have got a dual capture mode on here. Looks like a lot of companies are now following in the footsteps of other manufacturers who are also doing this. And then you can obviously go back into your gallery and view back content that you may have on the device. Let's see if there's any content actually on here. So I don't think there is to actually really show you the screen. It's a massive device. It feels quite big in hand. It's going to be a personal opinion as to whether the HTC One Max is for you. It certainly feels quality with the metal construction. The fingerprint scanner on the back is going to be an interesting one because it's so big. It's whether it feels a natural position for a lot of people to actually scan. My initial observation is right next to the camera, so you could easily fingerprint over the actual camera rather than the fingerprint scanner itself. But we'll be bringing you a full review on our blog, blog.clove.co.uk, so be sure to check that out in the next couple of weeks. But until next time, thanks for watching.